Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into products that impact your self-care routine and dental wellness, because a confident smile is just as important as glowing skin. If keeping your teeth and gums healthy feels like a chore, stick around and don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an honest review that saves you time, money, and frustration. Today, we're looking at two Waterpik water flossers designed to elevate your oral hygiene game. The Sidekick portable water flosser, perfect for travel and small spaces, and the Aquarius Professional Water Flosser, aimed at a more advanced, at-home routine. Both promise thorough cleaning, gum care, and overall dental health. But how do they really perform? Let's find out. Starting with the Sidekick, it's ultra-compact, but claims full-size performance. It comes with a travel-friendly, water-resistant storage case, making it ideal for trips or tight bathroom counters. It's compatible with global voltages, so international travelers, this one's for you. The integrated flossing stylus features a classic tip with a swivel handle to reach every corner of your mouth, and its 13-ounce reservoir gives about 60 seconds of flossing per fill. On paper, it looks like a solid solution for portability without sacrificing effectiveness. Moving to the Aquarius model, this one steps it up with enhanced pressure options, 10 settings for a completely customizable clean, and includes a massage mode for gum stimulation. The built-in timer and pacer guide you through a full 2-minute routine, pausing at 30-second and 1-minute intervals. Its larger 22-ounce reservoir supports 90 seconds of uninterrupted use, and the slim, maneuverable handle makes reaching back teeth effortless. Using the Sidekick was surprisingly easy. The compact design doesn't feel cramped, and the handle swivels well enough to reach all teeth without awkward positioning. The reservoir is small, so you'll refill it once for a quick session, which makes it ideal for travel, but slightly limiting for daily at-home use. The Aquarius, on the other hand, feels more like a professional-grade tool. The multiple pressure settings allowed me to customize the intensity, while the massage mode added a noticeable boost to gum stimulation, something your standard flosser or string floss simply can't replicate. The larger reservoir meant I could floss thoroughly without interruption, and the ergonomic handle really helps with back teeth, where most of us struggle. Pros? The Sidekick shines for portability, compact storage, and travel convenience, while still delivering a dentist-recommended clean. The Aquarius excels in customization, longer use per fill, gum stimulation, and a professional-grade feel. Cons? The Sidekick's smaller reservoir limits session length, and while compact, it's less versatile for heavy daily use. The Aquarius is bigger, so not as travel-friendly, and the higher price point may make casual users hesitate. Speaking of value, the Sidekick is a solid investment if you need a portable solution, while the Aquarius justifies its cost with performance, versatility, and superior gum care. In comparison to other water flossers on the market, Sidekick stands out for convenience, and Aquarius outperforms most standard models in terms of customization and usability. Both are built well. The plastic feels durable, the handles are sturdy, and the reservoirs are easy to clean. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer support with Waterpik has a strong reputation for responsiveness, though I haven't needed direct interaction personally. Both products carry the ADA seal of acceptance, giving an added layer of credibility and assurance of effectiveness. If you're considering alternatives, other travel-friendly models may offer similar compact design at a lower cost, but few combine portability with ADA-backed performance like the Sidekick. For the Aquarius, premium water flossers from other brands exist, but the combination of pressure settings, gum massage mode, and reservoir size make it a standout for a home-based oral care routine. Overall, both Waterpik models deliver on their promises, but cater to different needs. Sidekick is your go-to for travel or tight spaces, offering a quick, effective clean without fuss. Aquarius is best for those who want a professional-grade experience at home with customizable pressure and enhanced gum care. Your choice depends on lifestyle, portability versus comprehensive daily care. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase is in the comments below. If you've tried either of these water flossers, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.